We are now on the boardwalk right by Tropicana. And here's one way you can get in. Chicky and Pete's. We are here, it is June 2025. As of now, this is the very last casino on the boardwalk. We are going to walk on the beach. We will be back here in a month in July to see the Airshow. We do come here every year if they do have the Airshow, and it's wonderful right on the water. We see some people that are sitting out in the sun. Okay, it says the beach is unprotected, no swimming. Here are the rules: no dogs, no littering, no loud music, no open fires, no barbecues. Beach closed 10 to 6. Danger, rip currents. Please swim during lifeguard hours only, 10 to 6. The weather said it was going to get up to 85 degrees today. Also, I checked to see what the water temperature was in the ocean, and it said 61 degrees. The low tide today is going to be at 2 something, and then high tide is going to be at 8 o'clock. Little birdie in there, wetting his feet. I'm from Boston. We grew up on the water. Oh, those waves are high. Here is the rest of the boardwalk. You can see valleys and oceans in the distance. Let's take a walk. Look at all the mussel shells that the water brought up. When I was a kid living in Boston, low tide, we used to go down and we would slap our foot on where you would see a hole in the sand, and we would dig for clams. And wherever there was a hole, once you put your foot down, it would squirt up, and that's where you knew that they were. So we would dig for clams, and then all the seagulls would come and try to grab them from us. And then, of course, we'd put them back. We are back outside again at the Tropicana, coming from the beach. And we're going to check out over here. It looks like, oops, it looks like a beach club. This is the Boardwalk. We're right by the beer garden. When you fly into Atlantic City, you can take either a cab, Lyft, or Uber. But when you get here, you can take a jitney, which is a little bus to get around, but the jitney does not go to the airport. We had breakfast here before. It's a nice area where you can sit outside. And this is California Ave, the Bungalow Beach Bar. Let's go in and take a peek. Here again are the beach rules. There's a danger of rip currents today. Some of those waves were like 4 to 5 feet. Oh, it doesn't look like it's open just yet. We'll have to come back. Yeah, let's take a peek and we'll walk around outside. Some nice seating area. Looks like there's a bar set up. Over here they do have a pool. We'll have to come back later and find out how much it is to go in. They're setting up umbrellas over here, probably for people who wanted to rent them. Somebody else over there enjoying the waves. And here are the pushes. So that's the other way that you can travel around. No, we're good, thank you. And we are almost to Resorts. You can see the wheel in the back, which is a lot of fun. We did that before. So you can get a ride on the boardwalk with the pushes or with the little buggies here. They have hoodies for $9.99. All kinds of hats, dresses. Oh, my friend's up there. Oh, here we go, the new beach bar at Land Shark Bar and Grill. We'll have to check. Glen, watch out. Glen! Watch out. We have to check out the new beach bar at Land Shark. And we are on Ocean Avenue right now. Well, like that lady today. I don't trust them. Doesn't matter what lane you're in. That lady almost hit me today.
You said coming up on your left or on your left? So you went right.
Here's the shoe warehouse.
How are you going to get back?
Taking a jitney. So here's Sporty's Cafe presents Stiletto, where the girls are, and it's right down there.
Is that your video in there?